Mastering inequalities. Making the complex simple. Hello, learners. Today, we'll dive deep into a fascinating topic in the world of algebra: inequalities. By the end of this video, you'll have a clearer understanding of what inequalities are, and more importantly, how to master them. Inequalities are statements that describe the relationship between two mathematical expressions. Instead of an equals sign, which tells us two amounts are the same, we have symbols that tell us one side is greater or less than the other. Symbols commonly used in inequalities are less than, greater than, is less than or equal to, less than or equal to, is greater than or equal to, greater than or equal to. For example, 5 less than 85 less than 85 less than 8 means 5 is less than 8. 10 greater than 710 greater than 710 greater than 7 means 10 is greater than 7. 9 is greater than or equal to 99 is greater than or equal to 99 is greater than or equal to 9 means 9 is greater than or equal to 9. Like equations, inequalities have properties that let us manipulate them. 1. Addition property. If A less than ba less than ba less than b, then A plus C less than B plus C A plus C less than B plus C A plus C less than B plus C. 2. Subtraction property. If A less than ba less than ba less than B, then A minus C less than B minus C A, C less than B, C A minus C less than B minus C. 3. Multiplication property. If A less than ba less than ba less than B and C greater than 0 C greater than 0 C greater than 0, then AC less than BC AC less than BC AC less than BC. But, be careful. If C less than 0 C less than 0 C less than 0, the sign flips. AC greater than BC AC greater than BC AC greater than BC. 4. Division property. It works similarly to multiplication. If you divide by a positive number, the inequality remains unchanged. If you divide by a negative number, you must flip the inequality. To solve inequalities, you essentially treat them like equations, but always keep in mind the properties mentioned in the last section. For instance, if we have the inequality 2x plus 3 less than 72x plus 3 less than 72x plus 3 less than 7. 1. Subtract 3 from both sides. 2x less than 42x less than 42x less than 4. 2. Divide both sides by 2. X less than 2x less than 2x less than 2. This tells us that x can be any number less than 2. Sometimes, you'll encounter inequalities that have two statements. These are known as compound inequalities. For instance, 1 less than x is less than or equal to 51 less than x is less than or equal to 51 less than x is less than or equal to 5. This tells us that x is greater than 1 but less than or equal to 5. Inequalities, though a little tricky at first, become more manageable as you get used to them. They're an essential tool in algebra, helping us describe a range of possible values. Keep practicing, and you'll surely master this topic. We hope this video has been enlightening. Until next time, happy learning!